Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. This is Madam Chenge. We are moving on to number 10B with our June 2026 paper 1. Right, so this is our June 2026 paper 1. Right, so those are my contacts. You can get hold of me on 0773987001. Right, so number 10B, it reads value added tax at the rate of 15% is added to the marked prices of all articles in a shop. So for every article that is marked, let's say $50, we are going to add value added tax of 15% of that $50, right? So an article is marked $60. Find the price of the article including VAT. So the value added tax is 15% of the marked price. So we are saying 15% of our marked price is $60. So it's times $60, 10 by 10, then by 5, 2 by 5, 3, then 2, 1, 2, 3. So for every article that is marked $60, the value added tax now is $9. So we are going to add the price of that article will be $60 plus the value added tax to get $69. So it's $69. Then number 11, we are to simplify, right? Simplify 2 1/4 minus 1 2/3. These are mixed numbers, so we convert them, we express them as improper fractions. So it's 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9/4, minus 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, plus 2, 5/3. Then we find the common denominator for 4 and 3, right? So it's 12, right? Then 4 into 12 is 3. 3 times 9, 27. Minus 3 into 12, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 27 minus 20 is 7/12. So the final answer is 7/12. Then part 2. A third divided by 4/5. Whenever we have a division of fractions or any number, when dividing, we convert the divided by into a multiplication sign and then invert the second fraction. So it now becomes 5/4. By inverting, we mean the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator, right? So multiplying, we have 1 times 5, it's 5. 3 times 4 is 12. So the final answer is 5/12. Then part B. Express 25/40 as a percentage. So to express this as a percentage, we are going to multiply by 100. 25/40 times 100, right? Then we divide by 10 there, by 10 there. 2 is 2, 2, 5, right? Then we now have 25 times 5, we get it's 125 divided by 2. Then 2 there, 1, 2 there, it's 6, 2 there is 2, remember 1, add a 0 and a comma. 2 into 10, it's 5. So we have our final answer being 62.5%. So it's 62.5%. We've expressed 25/40 as a percentage there. Then we move on to, we've done number 10b and number 11. We are going to move on to number 12 in our next video. I'm running out of time, so we are going to move on to number 12 in our next video. So until we meet next time, have a good day, have a good night. Bye bye.